Okay, I'm doing a quick little video about Google Classroom. This has nothing to do with your content. This is simply about how things should be working during remote learning. After you've watched this video, I need you to leave a comment so that I know that you watched it, or just mark it done. So in Google Classroom, there's this stream. The stream has a lot of stuff in it, like whenever I announce my Zoom meetings, or when I do my question of the day, things like that, or when other students comment. What you need to be looking at is classwork. Classwork is separated by topic. So the bonus topic is always going to be optional. The instructions are in here. Your name goes in a drawing for a free Sonic drink of your choosing. Also, you're going to receive bonus points if you complete these activities. Under the week, so this is week 2, it's in order from the bottom to the top. So you should be starting down here at the bottom. Schedule for week 2. Open this up. Look at the schedule for week 2. This is what you're asked to do this week. 2 videos, and then you have 2 different assignments that'll be posted. The first assignment is right here. It says print out or sketch the notes in your composition notebook. Watch the videos and complete the notes. Complete the practice activities as well. I will be live each day from 11 to 12 on a Zoom if you have questions. So here's your notes, and then here's your 2 videos, and this is the updated volume of Prism's video since I made a mistake. Then when you finish that and you turn it in, which 45 of you have not done yet, you go over here. Well, this is the answers to the practice activities that I had you do. Again, only 41 of you have looked at that. The instructions are right here. You should always read the instructions. So many of you guys don't do that. Then you see choice board. I will add the link for the skills check on Thursday. I want you to do the practice activities first. So many of you guys didn't read that, and you emailed me and said, we don't have a hyperlink for the skills check. When you open that activity, if you click on view assignment first, and then you open your specific activity, it will make a copy of that activity with your name at the beginning of it so that you know it's yours. Read the instructions for this assignment you will choose to complete. For the assignments you choose to complete, place your initials in the square and attach a photo of your completed assignment in Google Classroom. If it's digital, take a screenshot and attach. You are required to complete 2 activities and the skills check in the center box. Reach out to your teacher if you have any questions. So your options are volume of Prisms and Pyramid task cards. That is a PDF, and if you click on that, it will take you to the PDF. Sum It Up, which again is a PDF. If you click on it, it will take you to the PDF. Quizalize is digital. The code is in the comments. 4x4 is a PDF. IXL is digital. I emailed you your username and password. If you've lost it, just let me know. Design Time is a PDF. Matching is a PDF. And Delta Math is digital. The Delta Math should automatically be assigned to you. Quizalize has a code. IXL, you have a specific username and password. When you finish an activity, you simply need to put your initials where it says initials, and that way I know to check those specific activities for you. You also need to attach the pictures or screenshots to your work. So I'm going to look at Naomi's real quick. So Naomi did IXL. Here's her screenshot, and she did the what is this one? She did something paper copy, and that's fine. You can do them electronic where you write on your screen and give me a screenshot, or you can do it paper pencil and you can just take a picture of your paper and pencil like Naomi did for this one right here. She did the task cards. So on here she's initialed the 3 that she did so that I know what to look at. Then you turn it in. My goodness, we've been turning in stuff all year. Turn it in. Then today I assigned the volume skills check. This is your graded assignment, guys. It is very important that before you attempt this activity that you are going through and doing those practice activities and watching that video. This is a new concept. You're not going to just naturally know it. So you need to go through, and I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the 30 who have submitted this have failed it because you're not doing the practice ahead of time or you're not doing the practice well. Guys, I know we're working from home. I know it's different. I know it's crazy, but you have got to still give your best effort. You're only being asked to do a short amount in comparison to the 8 hours a day that you would have been at school. So please give it your best effort. Please read your instructions, and please show up to these Zoom meetings if you're confused.